Hi, my name is Jenny and I'm part of the Boggy Creek family. Today we're going to sing a song called Three Little Birds. And what I like most about this song is that the message that we repeat over and over and over is don't worry about a thing because every little thing is going to be all right. Let's give it a try. Don't worry about a thing.